Just leave me for somebody else. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. Just leave me for somebody else.
So if anyone doesn't know this, I was playing Roblox today in the morning. So I was playing Transfer Infection in Roblox, and there was nice furries, and people, the mean people, like just said, kill them, they're monsters. And I was like, no, stop, and they said there's two strangers in this first, like they just said me first, not her, because I don't know why, because they want me because I look like this, and her, she looks like a 02, the dumb air pilot. And this is why I made this meme. OoOo, that's the sound of police meme. That's why. And if you didn't see what the what it says they said this in Roblox too. Though. Where is it? Here. It says we got a trader. She has halves blue and pink hair. She's a demon. She's a demon. Yeah, that's what it says. They said that. And I said no. There's mean humans. If you're human, become furry and kill the mean rude humans. And yeah, they started bullying me, and then this is why I made the video. So that's why. So yeah, that's.